Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. I'm continuing with the MS Word series, and in this video we'll learn how we can compress images in Microsoft Word. So you can see I have these two files, test1 and test2, and I'll open these two files, and as you see both these documents are similar. And the test2 is also similar. Both these documents are similar, having same images, but if you see the size, you see the test1 is of 5 MB and the test2 is of 1 MB. So why so? As you can see both are images, so that's why it's heavy document. What I'll do, I'll close both documents and I'll open this 5 MB and then we'll compress these images. How you can compress it? You can select any of the images and then as you can see format picture, you can click here and then you can see this one you can click. Now currently this is default resolution. Now if you want to decrease the size, you just click on email. You will not feel any difference in this document as such if you will click on this, but if you will print this document there would be pixelation, like these images may be pixelated, so that difference you will feel when you will print this document. So if you want to print those documents, you can click here, as you can say excellent quality or most printers and screen. So if you want to print those documents, I would suggest to do this, but if you are emailing this document, it's a very heavy size, so you can click email. So you see I'll quickly do for all these images and then you will see the difference. So and this one, and that's all. Now if I go and save as, I'll save in the test and demo and I'll save as test3 and then save, and then I'll close this. Now you can see this test3 is decreased and you will see the document, you will not feel any visible difference in the images. So now you can mail this document to anybody. So this is how you decrease the size of the document, or you can say you can compress the images in Word document. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.